my car didn't start up, and let me show you what is the problem. If I'm going and looking carefully, you can see that this was disconnect because of the corrosion from the minus. Okay, so this is the part that gone. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace it. The first thing we need to do is to clean the corrosion around this connection here. As you can see, everything is green. This is a copper corrosion. Let me just clean it with this CRC battery cleaner. We leave it for 5 minutes, let it clean, and then we wash it. So now after 5 minutes, we need to start cleaning, brushing it. With a metal brush, that's a specific for battery cleaning. And this is the other part of this tool, is to clean the pole, the minus pole of the battery. Okay, so it looks like clean now. Now we're going to wash it with water. So don't worry, just fill the water here. But you can see there are still residue of corrosion. So we'll try to remove it, forcing it out with this brush. And I'll put more of this battery cleaner. Leave it another 5 minutes and see what happens. So that's the second time we try it again, and again we just pour water just to clean it. And don't worry to make short, because you don't really make short here when you put water. The resistance of water is too high for shorting 12 volt. So now it looks better. I will use this paper to clean. Just cleaning the water. If you look now, it looks really almost shining here. This is not important. Let me show you what I want to do. I really want to use this connector, battery connector, for it, and I will show you how I'm going to use it. So as you can see, I use this to just flat it and cut it. Look at it, the way it looks now. And I open this connector here, there's 2 screws. Now I'm going to put this one inside. You can see how I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to lock it with these 2 screws. There's 1 screw, there's the other screw. It's the first thing I want to do, so I want to use a plier here. You really have to tighten it very, very tight. This is a very important thing, because heavy current can be hundreds of amperes. In the beginning, when the car started, maybe 60 amp I think, will go through these wires. So you really have to give them a very good contact. This is extremely important, as it's going to be very, very tight. Okay, so I'm putting this, you see this kind of thing I actually locked and I'm going to put it here, but I have to push it really, and if not, I'm going to push it even with a plier. And this kind of tool, just to give him a couple of hit here, and to put it here inside. See? Oh, that's it, it's good. Now it's inside, almost in. Total, it have to be inside. Okay, so now it's good. So now what I need to do, take this. See, here also you have to tighten it. I think it's tight even very nicely, so now it's look good. And we have here a voltmeter. And I'm just going to put it on to see if there is a conductivity. It should be 0, so you look at it carefully here. Between these to these, it must be 0. You can see it's 0. Now you need really to attach it strongly because heavy current will flow through these out. That's a very important thing, so that's why we attach it very strongly. So let's start the car and see what's happened. That's the way you do it. Excellent work.